Think mining Bitcoin on your Chromebook is a shortcut to crypto riches? Think again why it's more like navigating a digital minefield. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. Chromebooks, with their Chrome OS, aren't built for heavy-duty tasks like Bitcoin mining due to limited processing power and restricted access to system resources. Direct mining software won't work. Cloud mining is one potential workaround. You essentially rent computing power from a remote data center. Start by researching reputable cloud mining services and create an account. Carefully select a mining plan based on your budget and desired hash rate, always checking for reviews and red flags before putting in your payment information. Another option is focusing on managing your existing crypto assets. Explore web-based or Chrome extension wallets. Download from Chrome Web Store and store your Bitcoin securely. Be sure to enable two-factor authentication. You can also use your Chromebook for trading Bitcoin on exchanges. Access popular crypto exchanges through your Chrome browser. Analyze charts, set up price alerts, and execute trades directly from your Chromebook. Finally, stay informed. Use your Chromebook to research and follow the latest crypto news, trends, and regulations. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be in the crypto space.